Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix microphone not working on your Xiaomi 17. So first, what you guys want to do is clean the microphone port with a non-metallic tool. So as you guys may know, we got the port at the bottom. Now we want to make sure that it's clean inside, and you need to look into it. You can even use a flashlight from a different phone or just a flashlight and see if there's any dust, debris that may be blocking the sound from you to the microphone. Next, what you guys want to do is, what I like to do next is simply go over to the system apps and go to the recorder. Here we're going to start up recording, and we got the AI speech recognition, so it will tell us if our microphone is working or not. And as you guys can see, let me stop talking for a second. The line goes straight, so it's not picking any sound, and now we can see that my microphone is working. And yeah, we're gonna stop the recording now. It's saving, and what you guys can do is simply delete it now, so you're either made sure that your microphone is working or not. Next, what you guys want to do is simply restart the phone. It's very important. It refreshes the entire system, and we want to do it. So press the power button, the volume up button, and swipe down to reboot. Now the phone is rebooting, so I'll see you guys in a second once the reboot is done. Now after the restart, as you guys can see, let's quickly enter the pattern. And the next thing we're going to do as a last resort is update our software to fix any mic glitches. We're going to go to the settings, now about phone, and tap on the Xiaomi HyperOS right up top here. As you guys can see, I got no updates available. That means I'm on the latest version. But if you do have an update available, and you will see it by having a download and install button right here where the Xiaomi community is, then you need to update it as fast as possible. It's very important to keep up with the latest version, so you're not on the previous one and you're not handling with old glitches. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.